And here's your question. Would you rather kill one innocent person or 5 people who committed minor crimes? I'll repeat. Would you rather kill one innocent person or 5 people who committed minor crimes?
I believe that killing is one of the most bad things in this world. And if I'm going to give a chance, I will kill those 5 people who create a minor like that. And I will kill that person because I wanted to make justice for those people who killed. So in that way, we can lessen those killers in this world and we can create a more humane, more. That's with all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so
Good morning.
Magandang umaga po.
Okay, so my question is connected with the mishap that happened to you a month ago. Would you rather control space or time? Again, would you rather control space or time?
I would rather control time because that way I will be able to go back on the things that I would like to change, specifically with the darkest times of my life. Maybe for some it may be bad to go back in time because it will distract the equilibrium of life. But the option is given to me. And I will enthusiastically take that option and go back where the fire began and save my 3 fur babies. Good evening.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Katawaw.
Oh, katawaw. Yun lang. Di mo kaya po ka.
Hello, Miss RC.
Good morning.
So my question is, what is the similarity of a pupa to a human being? Again, my question is, what is the similarity of a pupa to a human being?
Definitely the metamorphosis. We cannot deny the fact, just like a pupa and turns into a butterfly, we as a human, we also excel in different profession that we have. Just like me as a transgender teacher, we cannot deny the fact when the Spaniards colonized our country for 333 years, there is a stigma that transgender doesn't belong to a community wherein we are a teacher. Now, this is a metamorphosis for me. This is the time for me to show and legacy that no one can degrade us because just like a wings of butterfly, we can have a legacy and this is the start of that. Thank you, Bekshi of Manila.
On each every segment.
Well, actually, it's so much pressure to be number one because you will be setting standard for this competition, but at least I'm your standard for this competition.
Dugtugin ko to, nagigildan ako
Kita
dito.
ha, ang ganda ng tanong ko sa'yo mamaya.
Oo.
Ano na yan, rehearsal yan.
Oo. Alam mo na mamaya hatian na, anong sabi ko sa'yo. Sige, for the name of your judge. Gili.
Judge number 6.
Nakulugod kayo, pinatayin nyo ng mic sa Gili. Tatampo yan.
Hello.
Yan.
Good morning, Mikay.
Good morning.
Wow, sweet. Anyways, this is my question. Do you support safe sex? Just please answer yes or no. Do you support same sex? Safe sex.
Safe
Sex.
sex. Yes, of course.
If you support safe sex, what if your 15-year-old brother asks you to buy him a condom? Would you buy him a condom or not?
Again, sir.
What if your 15-year-old brother asks you to buy a condom? Would you buy him a condom or not?
Well, since I answer yes, I'm for safe sex. Well, definitely before I going to buy his condom, I will educate him because I'm a part of Love Yourself INC community. I will educate him that having an HIV is not transferable by just kissing or just having a hug. But we must educate it when we're going to have sex to someone we love. Because remember, wag nating pabayaan ang isang gabing kasayahan sa panghabang buhay nating pagsisisihan. Good evening.
Thank you very much, Miss Mikay Bautista from Bulacan. Now, let's...
Ang mahal ng return ticket.
Anong...
I mean yung round trip
Round trip ticket.
worth 15,000. Kaya sana man maka-final.
Okay, sige.
Yes.
Anong Bisaya ang salita sa inyo?
Yes.
Pwede mo ba
Bisaya.
silang batiin ngayon yung mga kabibayan natin, mga Bisaya na nanonood ngayong gabi sa ating live and of course yung ating mga nandito?
Maayong gabi sa atong gwapo kaayo nga mga judges nga nagalingkod unta maluoy mo sa ako nga ikarga ko na sa top 5. In Tagalog, magandang gabi sa napaka mga gwapo natong hurado. Sana maawa kayo at ipasok na ako sa top 5.
Maluoy jud mo. Para sa kinaugmaan ni Ring Bayot.
Kaya nga, kasi wala na talaga akong pamasahe.
Ay, wala ka na mamasahe?
Yes, kaya
Magpapaikot po kami ng sobre, ambagan po tayo para may pamasahe po siya, ha?
Ay, Ma'am Shu, hindi na po kailangan.
Bakit?
Kailangan lang po natin kausapin ang ating mga judges.
Ay, hindi ka sigurado.
Tama, diba? Yes,
Diba?
pero syempre nasa kamay ng mga hurado, pero nasa kapalaran mo naman.
Correct. And speaking of Jurado, ito yung iyong judge.
Yes.
Siya na lang nag-iisa. Boss, what's your question?
Good evening, Miss CDO. How are you?
Good evening, sir. I want you to know that you're so handsome.
Ako, baka biglang tumaas score mo, ha?
More pa, baka tumaas
Do you love the Philippines?
Of course.
So if you love the Philippines, would you rather have a horribly corrupt government or no government at all?
Once again, sir.
One more time. Take it away.
If you love the Philippines, would you rather have a horribly corrupt government, isang napaka-corrupt na gobyerno, or no government at all? So walang gobyerno at all.
I will choose to have no government at all because as Filipinos we are leaders in our own ways, and corruption is one of the greatest obstacles to our nation's progress. It robs resources from the people, weakens trust in leadership, and depends inequality. In the Philippines today, we have witnessed how Ghost Project continue to affect millions of lives, and I hope that we Filipinos, as the election is approaching, we should vote for a leader who can be with us so that no one will suffer the sadness of poverty. Good evening.
Thank you so much, IR Granite.
Galit na galit siya.
From Tagal.
Mesa, first of all, congratulations and you're so pretty.
Thank you very much.
Bago-
I'm a fan.
Hindi naman kita masisisi. Apakayabang pa rin kahit na umaga na, no? Well, anyway, your question is, sinong gumawa ng bangas mo? No, hindi yun. Mali, sorry. The question here is, pasabog yung mga questions natin yun, parang thesis, no?
Diba?
Okay. Nakakaloka to. Would you rather accidentally be responsible for the death of a child or accidentally be responsible for the deaths of 3 adults? Again, I am going to repeat the question for you, my little ladybug. Would you rather accidentally be responsible for the death of a child or accidentally be responsible for the deaths of 3 adults?
Your timer starts now.
Thank you very much. I'd rather choose to save or to pay the debt of a child simply because we are all adults. We know how to earn money. We know how to survive in this community. However, with those child, we can actually put that on education so they can learn how to earn money as well, how to be responsible, to have a financial literacy in here. And also, I would like just to introduce that if I will help that child, the child will also look at me as an inspiration, that I help him and he will help someone in the near future. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much from Santa Mesa, Manila, Summer Region Corpus. Very eloquent yung candidate, no? Nakakaloka. Lahat ng questions are being asked in English.
Would you rather be the first person to explore a planet or be the inventor of a drug that cures a deadly disease? Again, would you rather be the first person to explore a planet or be the inventor of a drug that cures a deadly disease?
Your timer starts now. Candidate number 8 from Tarlac.
Basta siya yun. Timer starts now.
Exploring a planet would definitely allow me to earn so many money. However, curing disease that does not have anything or anything that would help that person to be cured is going to be very beneficial, not just for me, but also for the humanity. I would prefer to cure a disease that is something that is not yet discovered. It's because I firmly believe that allowing people to live because they have that option is something that we wish to see from humanity. And I hope that people would always choose something that was beneficial for the humanity. Thank you.
Good evening. Since we were talking about your work a while back and you said that it's confidential,
Wala pa
I'll
ako
choose
sinabi.
this type of question. Would you rather have a horrible job but be able to retire comfortably in 10 years, or have your dream job but have to work until the day you die?
Come again?
Okay. Would you rather have a horrible job but be able to retire comfortably in 10 years, or have your dream job but have to work until the day you die?
That is actually the story of every breadwinner, especially the LGBT. We work tirelessly in our jobs so that our parents and our siblings will be able to retire comfortably and be able to go to school. I would rather have a horrible job so that I will be able to support the needs, the physiological needs of my family members. Because as they say, as an LGBT, we always stand forth to sacrifice our life for the needs of our families. Because at the end of each day, we are here in this world to love and give support to every single individual. So mas gugustuhin ko pa po ang mahirapan kaysa makita ang aking pamilyang nahihirapan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.